Okay, we have to admit, it was a stupid idea. It was way too risky. Our stuntman froze into the waterfall and we had to abort this mission.
It's very warm. Yeah.
This was a very special moment for all of us. Confronting the pain, confronting the cold. It was something new, something we never experienced in that way before, because normal you try to feel comfort, you try to find a warm, welcome place to sacrifice yourself, your mind, your body, all your fear, your inner evil spirits. So let's embrace whatever comes.